If you are planning for a job switch into AI as a professional, you need to check out this job switch AI training for professionals. So, in this particular program, the goal is primarily to take you from the very, very basic to make a job switch with the help of portfolio building, or we call it as experience building. So, now what is happening is when you're going back to the recruiters, they're asking for a GitHub portfolio. Let's say you are a data engineer, you want to make into AI. Now they are looking for AI based automations related to data engineering based POCs in your resume. So what kind of GitHub you have, what kind of projects you developed it. So using Python, using generative AI, using agentic AI, MCPs, lang chains, lang graphs, all of this, they are trying to look into it. So without a valid portfolio, making a job switch is very, very difficult. That's what we are trying to handle it in this particular program. So now it's going to start from very basics. You will be start learning Python, you start learning Snowflake, Databricks, LangChains, LangGraph, small language models, Crew AI, AutoGen, machine learning, deep learning, MLOps, generative AI, and agentic AI. And it's going to be for complete beginners. So most of the working professionals who are joining has no coding background. They don't even know Python, they don't even know SQL. So they are completely technically zero in lines of statistics and machine learning and all of that. We started from ABC of it until you are able to get a job level confidence, system design level confidence to handle a scalable generative AI solution. So that's what the course outcomes are. You are able to build Gen AI products at scale. You are able to develop a hands-on coding experience in Python. You are able to build solutions, end-to-end solutions, which you can show in your resume, GitHub, or in your LinkedIn as your experience, as your proof of concepts. And you will be working on automated CI/CD pipelines using MLOps or LLMOps. You are developing experience in deploying solutions on a cloud platforms, and even an ability to explain complex technical concepts to various audience, experience in analyzing large and complex data sets. And these are the kind of projects you are able to work under BPEC, like KOL Intelligence HCP Engagement Engine, Autonomous Supply Chain Control Tower, Enterprise MLOps Platform for 180 plus models, always on MMM platform with GenAI Insights, Adaptive Fraud Detection with agentic features, so on and so forth. And these projects are changing based on your background. You're from a mechanical, you have another set of real-time projects. You're from healthcare, you have one set of real-time projects. You're from finance, you got one set of real-time. You're from banking, you got one set of real-time projects. You are from analytics or from data engineering, you have one set of real-time projects for your career transition. And next going to be, this is the overall course curriculum. You're able to go through it, which starts with basics of Python, SQL, everything, with a coding preparation and all of interview preparation, everything is included. You're able to check it. And this is primarily an applied AI program with MLOps. The goal behind applied AI program, when you're going to an industry, you need to know the purpose. It's not just about knowing what is agentic AI, but you need to know the purpose. So why agentic AI? When to use agentic AI? When to use which particular agentic AI architecture? That is more important than just knowing what it is. So in order to convince the recruiters, you need to build a solid confidence. So this program going to do the same thing. So we are able to build a solid confidence in you. So you don't need to have any coding background needed. The class is going to be weekday and weekend batches. So we are able to work on lifetime access for your LMS. So whatever the classes we are doing, they're going to be recorded. You're able to access them lifetime. These are the core fundamentals. If you want to know more about it, you are able to check down the agenda here. And once it is completed, we do the training, the resume preparation, mock interviews, so on and so forth. And they're going to be one-on-one customization of your resume, one-on-one project discussions, one-on-one mock interviews, so that you are able to make your transition successfully from any background with a better salary hike and with a better designation than your current designation. That is the primary goal of it. In case if you want to have a one-on-one discussion with me, the links are in the description. If you want to join the program, the links are in the description. The batch going to start soon. You are able to block your slots.